Ugly. Hot. Oh, see, there's no difference.
Your name, what is?
Happy birthday, Shar! I love you.
You're hot.
Did you say happy birthday? It's my birthday, Charlotte.
What did I say that?
That's all her visitors. Look at that. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Why so good right now? Why are you videos? I love you more than you, Charlotte. Talk to Valerie about her Pop-Tarts. She likes them. They're hard on the outside and nice. Yummy. Oh.
Ah!
Happy birthday. You don't have to read it. Be mine. Did you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday again.